All teams, stop.
This is talk. Suspects are
Element to
refusing
talk.
to
Civilian
negotiate.
in critical
You are
condition.
clear to move in.
Talk. Suspect is down, requesting Thames.
Talks to lead. Notifying medical.
Police, down on the ground! Get down, I want to see hands!
Okay.
This is protocol.
Monk, this is bullshit.
Entry team to talk. Civilian is standing by for trailers.
Entry team, this is talk. Trailers incoming. Proceed with caution.
Hands up above your head!
Sit.
Get down on your knees, hands up!
Okay.
Lead to talk. You're gonna be okay.
Talk here.
Stay here.
Roger.
You have what you wanted.
Element to talk.
If I
Civilian
talk-
cuffed and ready for
I
trailers.
have your word, I'll be
Talk
fine.
to lead. Continue with objectives. The suspects have taken civilians prisoner. Element, this is talk. Civilians have been
We
taken
have one
hostage.
suspect down.
Talk to Element. Proceed with
Entry team
mission.
to talk. We have an obvious civilian DOA.
Lead, this is talk. Notifying medical.
Lead to talk. We got one fatality. Suspect.
Talk to Element. Proceed with mission.
Stay calm.
What are you doing?
Element to talk. We have a civilian in custody and ready for transport.
Lead, this is talk. Notifying trailers.
Entry team to talk. The suspect is down.
Talk to entry team. You are clear to proceed.
Move there.
All my fault. Why did you tell them, you idiot?
The suspects have taken civilians prisoner.
This is procedure. Talk. The suspect is down.
This is talk. Notifying trailers.
We're not here for you. Entry team to talk. Civilian restrained and ready. Hands up! Drop to your knees! Let me see those hands!
I don't
Talk
want any
reporting.
problems.
We're gonna
Trailers
be
in.
okay.
Thank God for you. What are those for?
Lead to talk. Civilian in custody and secured.
Entry team, this is talk. Trailers notified.
Element to talk. Notify trailers. Civilian is DOA.
Element.
Hands up
this is
now!
Doc.
Drop to your
Coroner
knees!
standing by.
Secure the area.
Empty the closet. Gonna pack it up.
Easy. Bien.
Got the closet safe.
Over here!
Got it. Cuffed and ready.
Doc to entry team. That's how we get it done, folks.
Fall in.
Roll in for
Yes, six.
debrief.